responsibility.
Here he goes.
Come on, Chad, come on.
Oh yeah.
Awesome, dude.
Gotta bring him in the door. Hold him up. I don't know if he will.
Oh, he's gonna eat it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh, David, get ready. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, this is it. This is it. We got him. We got him. Huh? Yeah, we got him. We got him. We got him. We got him. Oh, fish on, baby. Oh, baby. There he goes. All right, there he is. There he is. This is one of the most strongest fish pound for pound in the ocean. It's like hooking in a fighter jet. He looks like a duck. Look at this beak he's got right here. Look how sensitive he is. Beautiful animal. They're a lot of fun to catch on a rod and reel. They give you everything they got. Permit on.
Throw that shark rod up. He's around the shark rod. I saw those fish, dude, and floated it back to him. He's way back.
All right, keep the line tight, keep the line tight.
Be tight.
Oh my gosh, he's massive, bro.
Yeah!
Look at the size of that permit.
What a fish, man.
Showstopper, baby.
Yeah, light tackle.
Dude, he fought
Big
so
fish.
hard. Oh my gosh. Got it? Got him? Oh! Oh my gosh! Yeah! Oh, he's giant! He's so heavy! I think we did it. 10-1. 10 pounds, 1 ounce, it's double digits. Yeah! Trophy bass. Look at that thing. 10 pounder. Oh my gosh, this is the legend. Look at the water boil. This is him.
Yes.
Yeah, Goliath grouper.
It's a big fish.
It's a giant. I can't even move him. Oh.